Good morning, everybody. Today is Thursday, April 9th, 2020. Today is Panther Spirit Day. So when you log on to Flipgrid, I want to make sure to see your Panther spirit and showing your Panther pride by wearing your Panther gear. As you do that, you're going to share the question of the day. And the question of the day is share some of your tips to successful online learning. For me right now, I just want to know what is working best for you. I think some of the tips that you have might help some of your classmates as well. Let's start with math today. You're going to continue to work in the divisibility folder. You can see that the activities and assignments are all posted in that folder. If you go to the Extended Flexible Learning folder in the math course and go to that April 8th through 9th, and go ahead and click on that divisibility folder. For Reading Core, this is very important. This is your formative assessment. This is going to show me what you know from as a continuation of the week after reading about Paul Revere. You can find that in the Schoology reading course under Paul Revere Daily Lessons, Day 4. Also, today is your last day. Well, you can continue to write this weekend if you would like over your break, your Easter break, but you're going to make sure that you have a minimum of 3 journal entries this week in your real-time journal. Don't forget to upload all of those journal entries into your personal discussion thread. For Woods Runner today, you're going to continue on after that intense chapter in chapter 3. Go ahead and start reading chapter 4. If you want to have that chapter read to you, then you're just going to click right here on this link, and you will see another teacher is reading to you. It's not me. And then you're going to continue to take notes on imagery, and then you're going to share your notes in the discussion and answer the discussion question. If you want a recap of yesterday because you were unable to join us for the live WebEx, you can click here and you can watch yesterday's lesson. For social studies today, you're going to continue on and read 10.3 in Clever or /TCI. You're going to watch the video that is in that folder, and you're going to make sure to take notes and upload your notes to the discussion web. To get there, that's all in Schoology. Social Studies course, week of April 6th through 9th, day 2. And don't forget that if you want to actually read that 10.3, you have to log into the Clever app, and you will directly go to TCI. Lastly, I have my face-to-face meetings tomorrow, and tomorrow is Thursday, so I will be meeting with Presley, Cade, Liana, Layton, Max, Addie, and Connor. Also, don't forget, if you have any questions, my office hours are from 10 to 10:45 today, and you can just log right in using that same code that you always do, 808-140-271. And then today's lesson is a live lesson at 1 p.m. And our live lesson today, good morning everybody. Today is Thursday, April 9th, 2020, and today is Panther Spirit Day. So let's see your Panther pride by wearing your Panther gear today on Flipgrid. As you wear your Panther gear, enter in this Flipgrid code here, wear your Panther gear, and answer the question of the day. I would love to hear, after 2 weeks now of doing the online learning, I want to hear some successful tips that have been working for you for this online learning. So tell me, what is working best? Let's start with math. Math, you're going to continue on with the divisibility folder, and you're going to continue on with whatever you did not finish yesterday. You'll find that all in Schoology under the math course, Extended Flexible Learning, and go to that April 8th through 9th folder. For reading today, this is very important. This is an actual assessment. This is an accumulation of what you have learned this week on Author's Viewpoint. And you're going to go, there's only one thing in your folder today on day 4, and that is your response journal. So please download that response journal and answer those questions and upload it back into Schoology. Continue on with your journal entries for your real-time journal, and upload those into your personal discussion thread on Schoology and the real-time journal folder for your reading course. Don't forget you need to have up to, or actually a minimum of, 3 journal entries this week. We're going to continue with Woods Runner after leaving off on that chapter 3, kind of on a cliffhanger there. You can continue reading chapter 4 today, and after you've read chapter 4, you can continue to take notes on that imagery and upload some of your ideas on imagery onto that discussion thread. So make sure you look at the discussion question before you do any of the reading so that you are taking notes as you read chapter 4. If you want to listen audio version of chapter 4, you can click here. If you need a recap on chapter 3 from yesterday, you can watch yesterday's lesson by clicking here. We're going to continue on into social studies. Don't forget you will find lesson 10.3 in the Clever app, so you will need to log into that Clever app, which is our TCI reading curriculum, and you're going to go to 10.3 and read. Your actual assignment is in Schoology. Go to that social studies course, week of April 6th through 9th, day 2. Don't forget to watch the video, take notes, and upload all of those to the discussion web. Lastly, my office hours today. Anytime you go in for office hours, you're going to enter that exact same code, 808-140-271. We have individual meetings today starting at 10:45 and ending at 12:15. We have those office hours where anybody is welcome to join from 10 o'clock to 10:45 for any questions. Again, you enter this exact same code. And then our live lesson this afternoon is at 1 o'clock, and we'll go over author's viewpoint to go along with the Paul Revere. The children that we are meeting with today, and again, don't forget you can click on this link for Olson's face-to-face meetings. It explains everything about the individual meetings, the office hours, and the live lessons. But the kiddos that I'm meeting with today, scroll down to Thursday, starting at 10:45, that's Presley. Then we have Cade, Liana, Layton, Max, Addie, and Connor. This weekend is a holiday, so there will be no school on Friday or Monday. So it's a good time for you guys to relax and catch a breath, get caught up on any assignments that maybe were causing you some stress this week. All in all, have a good weekend, and if you have any questions, don't forget to Schoology message me or send me an email. Have a great day.